graph. Rational functions. That just means graph something really ugly. Oh. Not any different than graphing anything you've ever done. Okay? You've forgotten how to graph certain things, you forget the shortcuts, all you have to do is make an XY chart, put in a whole bunch of values. Figure it out. Alright, so here's some shortcuts. First of all, here's the form. I'm just going to show you the shortcuts so we can go through this and kind of be done with it. Okay? Unless you want to do a whole bunch of work to figure it out. So, you should have done that last night. So y equals a over x minus h plus k. H is the vertical asymptote. K is the horizontal asymptote. Horizontal.
So I feel like I'm going to get some of the office.
Yeah, no.
So funny you said Come on, guys.
I believe tote is a funny word.
Okay, yeah, that's why you're laughing.
Yeah.
All right. 1 y equals 2 over x minus 4 plus 5. Let's try to be mature about this.
I remember I want to be.
Okay. All right, so here's what you need to get from this. X equals 4 is the vertical asymptote. Okay? Not negative 4. That's what you need to get. It's not negative 4, it's positive 4. Why? What have I told you about these types of formulas? If it's in a grouping form, it's the opposite. Because this can't be 0. What makes your denominator 0? What makes your denominator 0?
4. Is it 4 equals x?
Yeah. So, x equals 4. So your answer really is the opposite of what you're seeing up here. I mean, that's the shortcut. The understanding is, what is x that makes this 0? That's really the mathematical part behind it. Okay, the shortcut is, it's the opposite of that number. Got it? But for those of you in here who are really smart and need to know why we do things, it's what makes this denominator goes to 0.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay? So you can cover it one of 2 ways. The shortcut way or the smart way. Alright, now k then, in this case, what does, this is the smart reasoning behind this. So I'm trying to teach you why k is your horizontal asymptote. And it's, what this was is what x is. That was the smart thing. I'm not really focusing on this position. I'm really focusing on what does y have to be. Remember, this is an equation of a vertical line? Yes?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
The equation of a horizontal line is what? Y equals something.
Yeah.
Okay, so the point is, what does y have to be for us to have something that doesn't work?
It's 0.
So that's the smart thing we're talking about here. Okay, the shortcut is, it's going to be 5.
Oh,
Okay. The teacher says that the horizontal asymptote's at 4 or excuse me, vertical's at 4 and the horizontal's at 5. I don't know why, but that's the shortcut, so I'm going to remember it so I can get an A on the test.
Awesome.
Okay? For you smart people, x equals 4. That's a vertical line. And And now I'm going to show you why this 5 is the way it is. Y is 5. You have 5 equals 2 over x minus 4 plus 5. Now everybody solve that. Solve for x, please.
Solve for x.
Yes, it's the only variable there.
Oh, okay.
What?
Yeah, I know what it is.
Luke.
It equals 2.
Sure does.
But I really didn't even do anything. I just,
Careful.
I didn't. I just knew.
Careful when you try to
It is
be
not 2.
intelligent.
It is not 2. It can't be. There's no solution.
Subtract 5. We're going to get the term that has the variable in it by itself. 0 equals 2 over x minus 4. Now we want to get x out of the denominator, so we multiply both sides by x minus 4.
Oh.
Yeah.
So now you have 0 equals 2. That's no solution.
What did I tell you? And then everybody was like, what? No, you're wrong.
So what makes it no solution? The value y equals 5, which is a line, a horizontal line. Or the shortcut, the teacher says that's the horizontal line.
Fair enough.
Okay?
Wow.
So I'm just explaining where they got this. If the majority of the class wants to just use the shortcut, that's fine.
See, because in order for that to work, 2 over x minus 4 would have to be 0, and you can't make it 0 because 2's on top.
Alrighty. Example 2, that's correct. Compare. It's your favorite word this year. Compare y equals 1 over x. So first of all, everybody graph y equals 1 over x. What's h and what's k?
0 and 0.
Yes, 0 and 0. So what did I show you yesterday for your asymptotes? What were they? X equals 0 and y equals 0. The x-axis and the y-axis. So graph it. Get it done. It should be done. Just draw it. Let's go. You know what it looks like. You did it yesterday. Okay? Should be done with that. Now, compare it with this. Y equals 4 over x plus 7 minus 2. Quickly draw that. Draw the new asymptotes on the same graph. Alright, so let me join you. So that's the y over, or 1 over x, correct? Yes. No. You should know. You should know last night's homework. Okay. The new one then. Where are the new asymptotes? X equals -7. And y equals -2. What happened? What happened with this right here?
7 over 2.
Oh, thank you. It's going to be just a hair differently because of the 4 instead of the 1. It's basically the same.
So, you just move the thing according to what they say, and then you just graph y equals 4 over x, only use those as the asymptotes, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, those don't even matter once you get there. You can just do
No, but do exactly what it tells you to do in the book. Okay?